I've been hearing a lot about Shelterpoint lately. They're not your typical auto or homeowner insurer. They specialize in disability, paid family leave, and employer-mandated benefits. But what you need to know is, do they do those things well, or is there more fine print than people expect? Let's dig in. Shelterpoint is a statutory benefits provider. Their core strength is in areas like short-term disability, paid family and medical leave, and related group benefits. They serve employers who provide benefits to their employees in many states, especially New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and others. Their promise is pretty simple: make compliance with state benefit laws smooth, deliver claims reliably, and offer tools for employers and employees to manage things without a ton of headache. Here's how it works. If your employer uses Shelterpoint, you get enrolled in whatever statutory benefit your state mandates: short-term disability, family leave, etc. When something happens, illness, injury, needing to care for family, you submit your claim, often via their online portal or mobile app. You can upload required forms, track claim status, see what paperwork is missing, and receive payments if approved. On the employer side, they provide broker-agent tools to submit group applications, manage premiums, download forms, etc. So what are the pros? First, expertise. They've been doing this for decades. In New York especially, they're a major carrier for statutory short-term disability, so they know the rules, the deadlines, the forms. Second, financial strength. Rating agencies like AM Best rate them A, excellent, which means they have solid resources behind their promise. Third, strong digital tools. The online claim portal/app lets employees check status 24/7, upload forms, see payment schedules, and get alerts. For employers, the broker-agent portals seem well built. Fourth, wide license footprint. They're licensed in many states, so it's not just one or two. But of course there are cons. One, product offerings are somewhat limited. If you're looking for lots of optional insurance lines outside statutory or group benefits, you might not find them here. 2. Customer service hours are not always extended. Their published hours are somewhat limited, so outside business hours or on weekends, you may have trouble reaching someone. 3. Some users report delays in claims, especially when paperwork is incomplete or employer-side processes are slow. A few complaints note missed or delayed payments. 4. Since they are not accredited by every consumer oversight group, like BBB in some locations, some folks worry about recourse or transparency. So who is Shelterpoint really for? If you're an employee who's required by state law to have short-term disability or paid family leave benefits, Shelterpoint is one of the better options. If your employer uses them, it's good. They tend to handle their statutory obligations fairly well. But if you want more beyond mandatory group benefits, say you want full private disability, robust life insurance, or non-statutory perks, you'll want to compare other companies. My verdict? Shelterpoint delivers solidly in its niche. They do what they claim: manage statutory benefit programs with expertise, relatively good tools, and financial stability. If that's the service you need, they're well worth considering. Just be sure to check your state's rules, your employer's setup, and keep close tabs on paperwork. Those are often where the gaps happen. So what do you think? Would you trust Shelterpoint for your statutory disability or family leave needs, or look for a provider with broader offerings? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. And if this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.